So, hi my friend and my seniors, welcome back guys in another very brand new video. So today this video is gonna be very special, very important, and also a very motivated video because guys today I'm gonna share a very important topic about the inspiration, about the motivation. Yeah guys, we also inspire ourselves from a lot of places and also we motivate ourselves, we get the motivation. But do you know that from your every past second, from your every past minute, hour, day, you also can be motivated, and that motivation is called the inner motivation, and inner motivation is very powerful. Okay, there are two kinds of motivation: a motivation that we get from the books, from the stories, from anyone, or also sometimes from the YouTube videos. But there is also another video which is called the inner motivation, that comes from a one kind of a incident, a hard incident that is very hard to forget. And also sometimes like our inner self, our father and mother, they also give us motivation. And whenever something just touches our self, touches our heart, at that time also we feel motivation. So today guys, I'm gonna talk about the motivation, I'm gonna talk about the inspiration, how much important are they, and how you can always be motivated in your life. So just try to understand that the thing that I'm talking about is very important in our life. If you want to do something, then obviously you need the motivation. Like motivation and inspiration, they are like fuels. Okay, yes, I am not lying, they are like fuels in our life, like the life we are driving car. Okay, now our work, what we are doing, it is our car, and by our work we are just going on and on and on, and with the help of the car we are just going. And now our destination, where we will go with the help of that car, that is our ambition, that is our success. Whenever we will reach at that place, it means that we are success. So our car is our work, our destination is our success. But remember, sometimes on the way many cars they will overtake you, you also will overtake many cars, they will come very close to you and you will be very close to crash with them, but you will not. Okay, you will be very consistent, you will drive slowly, safely. But if you don't have enough fuel in your car, then doesn't matter how much safe, how much speed you just drive your car, after a few time the car will stop and car will not go. So for that reason fuel is important. But in our own and also in our real life also, the motivation, the inspiration, it's work like a fuel. For that, for to achieve your dreams, for to achieve your purpose, success, you need fuel, which is called the motivation and the inspiration. You also just see, and I know that everyone knows and everyone have experienced this in their life one time. Like whenever you also set goals, like a normal goal that we all have set it, which is good marks, good results in our exam. Whenever we just promise to ourselves that in this examination I'll have good marks, I'll have good like results. At that time, after making this goal, we also did very well. We also just start studies and we make a timetable, and then after making the timetable we also just always go with the timetable. We study a lot in a day, 3 hours, 4 hours, but slowly as the days increase, our motivation, our inspiration, our works, they also just decrease. And a time comes when we also say that now I am not feeling good, and now I will just end this thing what I am doing, all of my works, because now every day I can't study very well, and also I am feeling very boring. And now we also don't know that how we also just stop doing this activity. So now I am just saying to all of you that remember one thing, which is that whenever we also set a goal, after setting the goal, every day you need some motivation. Okay, now also if I start giving you and also just start sharing with you lots of physical tips, advices, like it go wake up every morning, and then after waking up just do some exercises, because with the help of the exercises you also can develop yourself, you can develop your physique, and it will be very good. And all of the diet routine, if I say to you, some motivational quotes if I say to you, then it may be that few days you will go, you also will do the thing that I will share and I am also sharing with you. But after 1 week, after 1.5 week, everything are gonna be in. So for that reason, how you can maintain that, it is very important. Okay, maintaining the daily routine. Okay, like our goals, our hard work. I also say one thing to everyone, that hard work, doing hard work, it's not hard, but maintaining hard work every day, it's very hard. You have to be consistent, but only many people can be, but some people, they also don't have a lot of patience. So now the question is that what is the solution for them? This solution is have to become motivated every single time. Okay, whenever you will do your work, whenever you also will do the hard work, then before doing the hard work you have to become motivated. You have to take the inspiration, but from where you will take the inspiration, from where you will have the motivation, this is a very big question. We also can't understand it. So the normal and also the simple answer, it is from your time. Okay, time, it is a very important thing. As you also can see, I am making video here. This is very beautiful. This is the Howrah river and it is the bank where I am walking on. And now, as you also can see, there are the construction, it's going on everywhere. The construction is going on. It's very beautiful. Whenever this construction will be over and we also get a very beautiful park, I am promising that I will make video here every, because it's very near from our house, so it's very easy for me to come here and also make videos. So the thing that I was talking about, that from your every past second, from your every time, okay, seconds, hour, minutes, but now the question is that how you will do this activity. Now I am just sharing with you that how you will understand and also how you will motivate yourself from your time. Time is very important. First of all, you have to learn to value your time. Okay, value of time is very important. If you learn to value your time, then it will be very helpful for you. You have to value your 1 second, 1 minute, you 1 hour. You have to understand it, that my 1 second, my every moment of life that I am living now, they are important, they are precious. Many people, they also don't get this time, but I am getting it every day. So what I am doing, you have to understand that this life, this world, this universe is not waiting for you. Everything depends on you. If you don't start doing a thing now, then all time you will just focus on the time, when the time will come and when I will start doing that work. So for that, the best way, it is that don't wait for the time, just start the work, and slowly you will understand the automatically the work, time and also opportunities, they are coming. So the thing that I was telling you, that just start to like just try to value your time, because APJ Abdul Kalam sir also said to us that time is like a river. Okay, he just comparison the time with the river. Like as you also can see behind me, the river water flow is just going on and on and on. If I touch a part, okay, some drops of water now from the river, then can I touch it ever in my life? Never, ever. Okay, I can't touch the same flow in my life, never ever. So for that reason, whenever you will touch a flow of a river, then you can't touch it once more again. So for that reason, because the water is going on and on and on, so time, it will not stop for you. Remember one thing, that only whenever you will die, then the time will stop. But it's also, time will not stop for everyone. Time will only stop for you. Like what you did 1 second before, what you did um, in your past 1 minute, in your past 1 hour, just try to recognize them, just try to imagine them. Whenever you will imagine it, whenever you will think about it, then you will be more motivated. Like now the question is how. Whenever, like, just think that you are also study, you have been seated for study, so after few lines of reading you are feeling very bored, and you have a call, you have a missed call, and then after having the missed call you also are not feeling good to study. So that's why you take your phone and you just start scrolling some reels in the Facebook, in the YouTube, in the Instagram, and also you don't know and you don't understand how the time had gone. you have passed a lot of time by scrolling the reels. Now what you will do? Now if you need motivation and if you need inspiration for to study more good at the future time, at the upcoming time, then I will give you one advice, and that advice is that just close your eyes and just think that how you spend it and how you wasted all of your times. Okay, now how you wasted your time by scrolling and scrolling. Whenever you will just think about it and whenever you will feel regretness, then it means that you learned something and now you can do something, and never ever you are gonna do the same mistake again. Regretness is very important. Whenever you will start regretting that, oh no, what I did, I just wasted a lot of time, lot of hours, lot of minutes, lot of seconds of my life. I also could use them in a good way, and after making the study, after completing my studies, if I also would take my phone, that it would be more good. But now what I can do? Now I have wasted, but now I am sure that in my future time and also in the upcoming hours, upcoming minutes, I will not focus on the phone. I will only focus in my studies. So whenever one kinds of a regretness will come, whenever you will just waste your time, then that regretness will not allow to you to do and also to go in another way. Okay, while doing that work. So now also, like, I am making videos now. If I also miss videos of daily videos, I like and I love to go to the outdoor places. Like, this is, you can see, this is the outdoor place, and whenever I am here, I am just practicing English, and it's also very great for me. I am practicing, people are going near and there. It's a public place, not a private place, so that's why people are going in there. It's also a park. As you also can see behind me, the bridge, it's a new bridge. It's preparing, not also prepared perfectly, but people usually they go and come with the help of this bridge, because as you can see, this is the river. And also, for to go to the another bank, we had to go from that bridge, but now easily we can just go here and there from this bridge. So it's very very helpful for us. The distance of walking, we also, and the it's very low now. So the thing that I was talking about, this now also, if I miss one day video, if I don't practice English outdoor side, if I also don't make the English language videos, then also I start feeling regretting. And I am very happy that I feel regret for that reason. Today and also tomorrow I just make videos. Okay, just think that if I would not come here today, then what would be at the time, means today, I would feel very regret that, oh no, why I just missed the day. If I would go there and if I would just practice the English language, then it would be very good for me. But I didn't, and that is a very big loss for me. I just wasted my one day. Okay, doesn't, I also don't know that if today's video would be viral, then it would be very very like good for me. But I didn't make videos. It means I just wasted my whole day, and I felt very regret, and I am feeling very regret today. That means that, yeah, tomorrow I would be more prepared. I would promise to myself that now I have to go to make videos. Yesterday I didn't go. I feel very regret for that. But now I will go. It's I promising myself. So now whenever you also will start regretting, then it would be very very good. Now as you can see, I am also on the breeze, and in few seconds I will go to the another bank. So this breeze is very beautiful, and it is also the early in the morning. I say to everyone that early in the morning practices, this is very beautiful and also very very good for all of you. So always do the practicing, and the best time of practicing the English language, it is early in the morning, just to wake up and then just freshen up and just go on. And also you also can be motivated and inspired by your yesterday. Yes, yesterday it's also very important for us. Whenever you will go to bed, then before going to sleep, before just us about to sleep, just sit down, close your eyes and think about your yesterday. What things you did yesterday. Whenever you will think about it, then I am sure, if you just wasted your time by also scrolling the reels and also by watching internet, then tomorrow the day which gonna come, it will be very good for you, and it will be very very beautiful for you. We also see that you are just not wasting your time. Everything which you are doing, they are beneficial for you. It was the thing that I want to share. Bye bye, I'll meet you in another next video. Thank you to a great man, nothing is there. I'm also doing a lot of hard works for you, but now it's also your responsibility to respond me back. Just like, subscribe this channel for this type of more motivating and also special video. That is my mother. She is also helping me for to make these videos. Bye bye. Comment me a very beautiful comment that support me. Bye bye.